Hello everyone, welcome to Heartly Medical. So in this video, today I want to discuss. See, the weather is good, the sunlight is very perfect, and everything. But being in a medical profession and working on these platform for past 6 years, I have seen that people do learn the medical science, but sometimes what they learn also is how to deal with all the mental problems which whatever come across their way. Whenever we join the medical school, we all have that energy, that hope. Yes, we all have to work very tiresome, work diligently. We are working for the benefits of others. We would serve the nation with our medical practice and all that. But on the way, when we are on the journey, sometimes it happens ki we also face some kinds of mental issues also, like kind of depression, because we are not able to cope up with the subjects, not with the syllabus and everything. So for regarding that, what I like to say ki there are mainly very kind of mental illness. What I have seen is like depression, suicidal thoughts, anxiety, and some traumas also. Because in the medical college, जितना असाइनमेंट्स की टेंशन रहती है उतना एग्ज़ाम्स की रहती है एंड उतना की वॉट आर वी आर लर्निंग. So be it be whoever are the medical healthcare workers, they all go with this trauma. Keep and sometimes also the trauma comes from when we are in college. We also get in some relationship also. So in my I've seen many of times many of my friends who have been in such a traumatic relationships also, who have faced those suicidal thoughts kind of conditions too. But what I mean to say that you just learn to cope up with it. Coping skills are very must in the medical field or in the medical colleges or wherever you are learning, because jitni toxicity, I don't say there is neither toxicity in our field nor in the other, but what I would like to add कि जितनी टॉक्सिसिटी हमारे फील्ड में है, आई थिंक कि उतनी टॉक्सिसिटी तो किसी और पे नहीं होगी. बिकॉज इतना टॉक्सिक इन्वायरमेंट बना देते हैं लोग कि इट्स डिफ़िकल्ट टू वर्क ओवर देयर. बट जस्ट कीप वर्किंग, जस्ट कीप योर माइंड ऑल टुगेदर कि हैव यू जॉइंड why have you joined the institution, why have you learned to be a medical professional. Just keep in mind and rest all. When the toxicity comes from around, from the environment, just create a barrier over there कि नहीं, we have to tolerate this much toxicity only. If the toxicity is more than this, we are not going to tolerate this. So this should be our approach towards the toxicity whatever we face during our college life or in the workplace, or it be anywhere around us. जस्ट मेक अ बैरियर. उस बैरियर के आगे ना खुद जाओ, ना किसी को आने दो कि भाई ये मेरा मेंटल बैरियर है. इस बैरियर के आगे आई एम नॉट कमिंग, आई एम नॉट पुशिंग माई सेल्फ अप, एंड नाइदर यू आर कमिंग और विल आफ्टर दिस बैरियर. सो कीप योर मेंटल हेल्थ ऑन द टॉप ऑफ एवरीथिंग. बिकॉज अगर आप मेंटली फिट हो तो ही आप फिजिकली फिट हो सकते हो. Because health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social, and a spiritual well-being. But this mental health topic is very concerned. अगर आप mentally fit हो तो आप हर चीज़ के लिए fit हो. If you are not mentally fit over anything, तो थोड़ी सी आपको दिक्कत जाएगी. Physically, see, if you are not mentally fit, you will not like to wake up, you will not like to do things. So keep yourself mentally fit. Mentally fit हो, अब दुनिया में कुछ भी अचीव कर सकते हो. कहते हैं ना, मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत. दैट्स व्हाई द सेइंग इज़ वेरी ट्रू इन द सेंस कि मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत. सो जस्ट कीप योर माइंड, कीप योर इंटेलेक्ट जस्ट काम. जस्ट वॉट एवर इज़ गोइंग, जस्ट लर्न द कोपिंग स्किल्स, चाहे वो किसी चीज़ के लिए भी हो, कोई भी मेंटल इलनेस के लिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.